Greedy daughter-in-law and her magical gloves. There lived a mother-in-law named Santamma along with her daughter-in-law Geeta in Veeravaram village. Santamma was devoted to God and was extremely good at heart. She used to take care of Geeta like her own child. But Geeta had come from city and used to behave with great attitude with everyone. While speaking to others, she used to speak without thinking anything. Once, Geeta started telling her mother-in-law, "I shall go to my mother's place for a few days. They said they will take me on a foreign tour with them. If I am here, forget about foreign tour. I will not get a chance to even go to a city. Thus I am going, okay?" Santamma reacted, "Sure, go and come. Do take care of yourself, and all of you, please be careful." After Geeta left, Santamma looked after the house alone because her son and husband used to go to the office early in the morning. One fine morning, when Santamma woke up, she was shocked to see the glass of the window broken and the almara was also open. When Santamma went and saw near the almara, she saw that Geeta's jewels were all stolen. "Oh God, why should this happen to me? Now what should I answer to my daughter-in-law? God, you only help me, please." Santamma was very tensed. Thus, she went to temple and started praying to God. Because of Santamma's sincerity, God came in front of her and said, "You need not worry. For devotees who are sincere, I am always there. Here, take these. These are magical hand gloves. If you read the Akarshana mantra, you will get the strength to attract the gold, and the gold which was stolen will come to you automatically." Santamma came home taking those magical gloves. Wearing those gloves, she started chanting the mantra. "Oh magical gloves, attract Geeta's jewelry." And while she was seeing, she saw all the gold jewelry coming towards her. Santamma became very happy. "Dear God, your leelas are awesome." After a few days, Geeta came back and Santamma narrated the entire incident to Geeta. After listening about those magical gloves, Geeta became greedy. Geeta started thinking, "My mother-in-law is very innocent. She does not understand the importance of the gloves. I should not blame her. Only a goldsmith will understand the importance of gold." And Geeta told her mother-in-law, "My mother's jewelry have also been stolen. I got an idea. I am planning to give those magical gloves to my mother, and with that, they will also get back the jewelry." Geeta told lies to her mother-in-law and took those magical gloves from her. "Mother-in-law, it's been so long since you have been for a pilgrimage. Go for a pilgrimage and come. I will look after the house." Geeta sent her mother-in-law to a pilgrimage. And during the nights, she started robbing gold from the neighborhood. "I might have done some good deeds in my previous birth, and that is why I got these gloves. This gold jewelry is enough for today. I shall steal the rest tomorrow." Police came to know about the theft happening day by day in their village. "I am not understanding. Who is doing this robbery after everyone has slept? And how are they doing the robbery? There are no proofs, and nowhere outside we are able to find those jewels, which means I feel all of them are here in this village only. So we should search the entire village." Geeta got extremely scared knowing about the police searching for jewelry in the entire village. If they start searching, they will find all the jewelry along with the magical gloves. No. I will not go to the jail. I shall run away with the gold jewelry this night itself. While Geeta was running away with the gold, she saw a temple on her way. Even this temple will have a lot of jewelry. Let me take them also. Thinking so, Geeta started reading the mantra. But the temple had a big golden statue, and thus, instead of the idol coming out, Geeta flew in air and got stuck to the statue. And like that, Geeta was arrested by police with all the jewelry. So, my dear friends, it is very clear that greediness will always make us land in trouble.